वैष्णवांश्च श्रीरूपं शास्त्रजातं सहगण रघुनाथान्वितं तं सजीवम् साद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजनसहितं कृष्ण चैतन्यदेवं श्री राधा कृष्ण पादं सहगण ललिता सखा भज श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे. All glories to Sri Guru and Gauranga. All glories to Sri Guru Parampara. All glories to Hare Krishna Mahamantra Sankirtan. All glories to assembled devotees. All glories, all glories. Today I have no question. I already checked. There is no question for me. Looks like I become useless. Therefore, no question. Or my explanation is not good enough to understand you and all. So, anyway, there is explanation. Which text number? Anyway, लज्जा हर्ष अभिलाष संभ्रम बामा भय एत भाव मिली राधार राधाय चंचल कराय. Lajja, Radharani, Lajja means shyness, harsha means joyfulness or pleasure, Abhilas, desire, Sambhram, reluctant, Bama, always left, and Bhoy, dear, fear. Ato bhav mili, all the mood together. Radha chanchal karay. Radha become naughty. So let me see that what our Guru Varga says about it. And this is simple. I think what I explained word by word, this is perfect. Govinda Lila mein to 9th Sathi 1100 श्लोक. पुरो कृष्ण लोकात् स्थगितो कुटिलस्य गतिरभूत तिरश्चीनं कृष्णं वरदरो वृत शिमुखोमपि चलत्वारं स्फारं नयन जुगमा भुग्नमिति स्वा विलासाख्या सालंकरण बलितोषित प्रियो मुदे. श्री कृष्ण के सम्मुख दर्शन करिया श्री राधिकार गमन स्थिर हইয়া कुटिल भाव धारण करिल. तार बदनार बिंदे नीलवस्त्र स्वल्प आच्छादित हইল, नयन तारादाय विस्फोरित चंचल वक्र हইল এবং বিলাসাক্ষ অলঙ্কার মণ্ডিত হইয়া তিনি কৃষ্ণ সুখ উৎপাদন করিতে লাগিলেন. Means actually there is explanation how Radha become happy to meet with Krishna and what is the behavior of Radha. Radha, as soon as she appear in front of Krishna, her walking speed becomes slow. Dheer, sthir huya. And kutil bhav means it's not like a complexity. It's actually is one type of loving symptom for woman, how to attract Krishna. Radha's special behavior, kutil. She just covering her blue sari and covering her face, but eyes Krishna can watch. নীল বস্ত্র স্বল্প আচ্ছাদিত হইল, little bit covering that blue sari, নয়ন তারাদয়, নয়ন means eyes, that eyeball, বিস্ফারিত, this like বিস্ফারিত means effulgency, chanchal, naughty, bakro, zigzag. Always you know this. Eye is one type of symptom to attract the man energy for woman. So that way, you know. Bilasakho. Bilasakho means bilash means enjoyment, desire for enjoyment. Alankara mundit, all the ornamental symptom. She manifest and enjoy because that things make Krishna happy, and Radharani enjoyed that. You know, Radha, you know, why Krishna appeared in the form of Lord Chaitanya? Just Radha's enjoyment she wants to see. Krishna wants to see. Krishna is serving, or Radha is serving Krishna. But after serving, what she enjoy? That just Radha enjoying that. That is explained in Govinda Lilamrita. We have to finish as much as possible, as quick as possible this chapter, and we'll go to as soon as possible. We should jump to Harinam Chintamani. There's so many texts in there. Krishna age Radha jodi rohe dandaiya, tin bhango bhange rohe bhru nachaiya. Krishna age, ahead of Krishna, Radha jodi rohe dandaiya. If Radha is standing ahead of Krishna, tin bhango bhange, three type of bhange, rohe bhru nachaiya. Bhru nachaiya means, bhru means eyes. Nachaiya means dancing pose. Eyes also dancing pose. This is symptom to attract. Tin bhango bhange rohe bhru nachaiya. Mukhe netre hoy nana bhaber udgar, এই কান্তা ভাবের নাম ললিত অলঙ্কার. Different type of ornament. Lalit means a special love. Lalita means loving embodiment. Lalit means loving ornament. What loving ornament? For kanta bhav. Kanta bhav means, kanta means like Krishna is Radha Kanta. Radha, husband, eternal. The Kanta, to make Kanta become happy, such type of. Mukhe netre hoy nana bhaber udgar. Face, different type of mood, attractive mood appear attract. Whatever, which behavior Krishna liked, Krishna become happy. Radha knew about it. Accordingly, Radharani manifest. This is the specialty. Very special. Binnasa bhangi ranganam dhrubilasha manohara Shukumara bhavet matnatra lalitam taduddhotam. This is also same meaning. Mana lalit alankar. Binnasa bhangi ranganam means anga vinnas. Anga means different type of body, the folding. No, that it will be just straight way going. Maybe it's not attractive. You have to walk different sports, attractive sports. I have seen many women like that. They are walking different sports. I don't like to say the name, but in Bengal there is a woman used to come. I don't like to say the name. So it's a walking style different. Gopal watch everything. Gopal inform me, they look. So anyway, so such type of Binnasa bhangi ranganam bhubilasha manohara, bhubilasha manohara, bhu, eyes, bilasha, different pose of eyes, manohara, which mind can attract, mind can still. This is this Sukumara bhavat jatro lalitam bhavat Sukumara. It's actually same meaning what I explained before. Same meaning is here also. This is also Ujjal Nilmani Slok. Lalito Bhushito Radha dekhe jodi Krishna Duhe duha milibare hoye no satrishna. Dekhe jodi Krishna. If Krishna see Radha is such type of Lalita Bhushito, different type of Lalita ornament. Duhe duha mili vare hoye na satrishna. So they feel eagerness to meet each other. You may think that why I am just reading such type of context here, but ultimately we have to know, although it is not public forum, it is not the content for public forum, but we are in this contents, the context appear here accordingly. I am just floating when I explain, not deeply explaining. Trying to be floating as much as possible to explain you and maintaining my duties. But I think you know how materially people are attracting each other. Same thing here, but it is not material. It is absolutely transcendental. There is no lustiness exist. Only, you have to know Radha and Krishna is not outwardly looks two different form, but actually Krishna expand in the form of Radha, just for manifesting pastime. My spiritual master used to say, Krishna is manifesting pastime himself with him. So there is no lust. Krishna may have, Krishna have 16,108 wives, Mahishi in Dwaraka. And not only that, also he has lots of gopis and they have also associated, but still Krishna is Brahmachari. This is fact. Krishna, I can give an example. Krishna's, we may say, Krishna is stealing butter from different gopis' home. But if you look, what is the meaning of stealing? Meaning of stealing is this, which is not belongs to me. But if you look reality, then you can see Krishna is owner of entire universes. So therefore, whatever Krishna taking from any gopi's house, I think internally they are feeling they are happy. But outwardly for manifesting pastimes, they are complaining to Jashoda, and then when Jashoda chastised Krishna, Krishna stop it to go to anybody's house, then they complain, hey, why Krishna, you are not coming anymore? Then Krishna says, you are complaining to my mother, how can I come? Then they say, no, you can come every day. We enjoy your stealing pastime, such things. So we have to always understand all pastimes. If Krishna, like one day I explained that one washerman, when Krishna came Mathura, and there is a devotee here, Satyanarayan Prabhu, from Bihar. I asked him, that Krishna came Mathura and asking and saw a washerman. He is washing so nice opulent outfit. Then Krishna asked one piece for him. Then he just declined to give him anything. Then Krishna killed him. So I asked Satyanarayan Prabhu, so Krishna doing right thing or wrong thing? Immediately he said, Krishna doing wrong thing. Why? Why he killed? He should make him understand why he killed. And if Krishna come down from this Shinghasana and slap you and you die, what do you feel? Is it good or bad? Bad. And you are murkho, but you are foolish. If Krishna killed us, we have to know we become fortunate. But immediately we become delivered. So Krishna wants to deliver the washerman, therefore he just manifests the pastime, asking that he knew that he will decline and then he will kill in that way and deliver him. When Krishna doesn't want to deliver anyone, like Kala Javana, just look Kala Javana. Kala Javana, he knew, Krishna knew he has some boon from Lord Shiva. He will not, no one can defeat Kala Javana in the battle, no one can kill Kala Javana in the battle. But therefore he just felt his life became eternal. But Krishna made tricks. He took the Kala Javana in the cave where Muchukunda Maharaj sleeping. Muchukunda Maharaj had one boon from Indradev, that who will wake him up as soon as he see him, by his vision his body will burn and his body become ashes. So Krishna knew everything. So Krishna take in a tricky manner, Krishna take the Kala Javana to that cave. And then he just quickly covered the Kala Javana's body with his upper garment and hide himself. And Kala Javana thought that his Krishna is Mayavi, means he is master of mystery. He may pretend like he is sleeping out of my fear. So he was just waiting, and then once he felt intolerance and is hit with his feet, then Muchukunda Maharaj get up and see that Kala Javana astonished, who is this? It is not Krishna. Then as soon as Muchukunda Maharaj opened his eyes, his vision, body burned by fire. Krishna is the master of mystery. Krishna is controller of entire universe. Krishna is controller of entire God and goddesses, Deva and Devi. No one can defeat him. No one can equal to him. He is above everyone. So, if Krishna killed, you have to feel that we become fortunate. Anyway, so Radha, such art, make Krishna become happy. Duhe duha mili bare hoy na satrishna. They become together, the desire to become together, and satrishna becomes satisfied. Riya tirja kripa charana koti bhangi shu madhura. Chalachilpi bulli dalito rotinathe jito dhanu. Krishna repiti bardhan korite যখন রাধিকা ললিতালঙ্কারে ভূষিত হইয়াছিলেন, তখন লজ্জায় তাহার গ্রীবার বক্রভাব, চরণ কোটির সুমধুর ভঙ্গি, ভ্রুলতার চাঞ্চল্যে কামদেবের তেজস্বী ধনুর পরাজয় এবং প্রিয়তমের প্রতি প্রেমোল্লাস উল্লসিত ললিত ভাবপুষ্ট শ্রীঅঙ্গ লক্ষিত হইতে থাকে। কৃষ্ণ চলে যাচ্ছ, বেরিয়ে যাও। হ্যাঁ দে, তোর পাপাকে দে, এই দে, দুটো করে পুরি দে, হাতে দে, হালুয়া তুমিও খা, দুটো করে দে, দুটো করে দে, দুটো হবে না, পুরি নেই নাকি রে, দে দুটো করে পুরি দে না। আমার ছেলে বড় হয়ে গেল, পুরি দে, তুই নে, হ্যাঁ দুটো নে, দুটো নে, দুটো নে, আর চারটে হালুয়া নিয়ে নে। Sorry for that interruption. Actually, this is also explained in this is Govinda Lilamrita explain how in order to make Krishna's attention, Radha, Lalita Alankar, I already explained about Lalita Alankar, my means what, there's everything there, eagerness there, naughtiness there, fear is there, everything. Lalita Alankar means to attract the mind of Krishna, that ornamental mood, and how Radharani Griva means the waist part is folding, and Charan means lotus feet, how she is posing, and Bhangi means Bhangi means behavior or vision, sweetly, very attractive. Chalachilpi balli dalito rotinath ejjuto dhanu. It's like a Kamadev, Chanchalle Kamadev Tejasvi Dhanur Parajaya. When a Kamadev means Radha Madan Mohan. Parajaya means defeated. Radharani is such type of spouse, attractive spouse. Kamadev also defeated. And all part of the body become bright and attractive. This is all explained by Sarup Damodar to Lord Chaitanya. Priyo Primallasa, the rest, next part of the video. Lobhe ashi Krishna kare kanchuka karshan, antare ullas radha kare nivaran. This is Krishna become attractive, Krishna is kissing, Radha. This is our mantra, Krishna mantra, actually like that. Whatever you are chanting, that is the mantra meaning. The Radha Chumbita Vigraha, Radha Lingita Vigraha. The Radha embracing Krishna, Radha kissing Krishna. So, such type of mood, Krishna kare kanchukarshan, then such type of spouse of Radharani's, Krishna feel attraction and Krishna feel greedy and come and kiss Radha. Antare ullas Radha kare nivaran. Inside Radha become blissful, ullas, joyful, and that he realizing that. Bahire mabamta krodh bhitore shugmone kuttamita nam ei bhavo vibhushane. Bahire bamta, outside looks like woman. Mamta means what? Krodh, anger. You know this, woman always be in the left side, left mid bum. Bahire, outside mamta, but krodh, inside anger. Bhitore shu. Bamta, krodh, anger mood, left side, inside so much happiness. This is the meaning. Kuttamita nam ei bhava vibhushane. This is the bhav, name is Kuttamita. Mamta, like a surrender. Left side means surrender. Actually, wife should surrender to husband. But nowadays, no one agree for that. If each one should surrender amongst each other. The who is living, who is staying always left side, there is a surrender. Like disciples, always left side of his guru. Because disciples surrendered to guru, this is the meaning. Similarly also that. So anyway, so the Kuttamito. This is outside, like surrender, bamta, and anger, but inside Sukhavidhan means happiness, tasting, so realizing happy. Kuttamita name bhava vibhushan. This is the name, that Mahmud name is Kuttamita. Stana dharadi grahane hrit pritavapi sambramat vahi krodho vahi Vyathittavat prakproktam kuttamitam. Kanchudi mukhavastro dharan samay hridaya prapullo hilo sambhram krame bahire vyathitere nay krodh lakkhane kuttamita bole. Kanchudi Mukhavastra dharan samaya. This is special, it's very difficult to translate in English. Mukhavastra means, you know this, maybe you don't know about this Western people, they don't know about the meaning, but here, when I saw my mother, she always used to cover her face. Even my grandmother also covered her face. Why? Because they don't want to see other male form, the face of other male form. So therefore, mostly all married women, they are always covering the face with their, this is called, we call ghumta, in Hindi called ghungat. So anyway, so that Kanchudi মুখবস্ত্র ধারণ সময় হৃদয় প্রফুল্ল হইল, সম্ভ্রম ক্রমে বাহিরে ব্যথিতের ন্যায় ক্রোধ লক্ষণে কুট্টমিত বলে। These are the meaning of kuttamita, just explain. There's covering the hair and face little bit open, anger, looks like angry, but sambhram, reluctant to meet with that. Such type of, it's called kuttamita bhav. কৃষ্ণ বাঞ্ছা পূর্ণ হয় করে পাপিরোধ, অন্তরে আনন্দ রাধা বাহিরে বাম্য ক্রোধ। কৃষ্ণ বাঞ্ছা পূর্ণ হয়, whatever Radha is doing kuttamito, whatever bhav we explain, Lalit, all bhav Radharani knows how to make Krishna's, how to fulfill the Krishna's desire. So Radha accordingly doing, therefore he said Krishna vancha purna hoy. Krishna's vancha means desire, purna means fulfill. How she can fulfill the Krishna's desire. Kore panirodh. Accordingly she is doing everything. Antare ananda radha, baire bammo krodh. Inside so much blissful, but outside showing anger and surrender. Bammo. ব্যথা পাইয়া করে যেন শুষ্ক রোদন, ঈষৎ হাসিয়া কৃষ্ণ করে না ভৎসন। ব্যথা পাইয়া করে যেন শুষ্ক রোদন, dry, শুষ্ক means dry, রোদন means cry. Outwardly you can see artificially someone crying, right? Similarly, inside feeling happiness, but outside crying. You can see most of the women like that. I'm not ignoring, I'm not blaming women. This is nature, God-gifted nature. They can cry easily. They can feel tear easily. So, ব্যথা পাইয়া করে যেন শুষ্ক রোদন। শুষ্ক রোদন means dry manner crying, ব্যথা পাইয়া করে। আর ঈষৎ হাসিয়া কৃষ্ণ করে না ভৎসন, but Krishna smiling, a little bit smiling, and bhatsan means criticizing or crying. Criticizing is not a good word. What is this? Bhatsan. Yeah, criticizing is good. Bhatsanakara. Yeah. Look, ignoring, you can be the best word. Ignoring or crying. এই মতো আশা ভাব বিভূষণ, যাহাতে ভূষিত রাধা হরে কৃষ্ণ মন। Such type of mood Radharani keeping, and যাহাতে ভূষিত রাধা হরে কৃষ্ণ, which is Radharani showing to Krishna, and in that way Radha stealing Krishna's mind. অনন্ত কৃষ্ণের লীলা না যায় বর্ণন, আপনে বর্ণনে যদি সহস্র বদন। অনন্ত কৃষ্ণ লীলা means millions and millions of pastimes of Krishna exist, but apone how can I explain in one mouth? I need sahasra vadam, 1,000 mouths I need. There is an explanation. Tunde, tunda, vina, vidangruti. I need to explain. Tundo means mouth. How many? 1,000, millions and millions. Ananto mouth. Srivas hasiya kaya shuno damodar, amar lokshir dekho sampotti bistor. There is so many associate of Srimati Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. There is Srivas Pandit, Hasya means laughing, and says, Shuno Damodar, oh Sarup Damodar, listen. Amara Lokhir Dako Sampatti Vistar. Look, my Lakshmi have lots of wealth. Vrindavana Sampad Dako Pushpa Kishalay. Giridhatu Chiki Pucho Gunja Phalamoy. Vrindavan, what is there? Only Vrindavan wealth is only Pushpa Kishalay. Flower, then some plant, surrounding plant, jungle, Giridhatu, only Giriraj Govardhan is there, Sikipucho, Gunja Phal, Moy. Sikipucho means Moy, peacock, and Gunja Phal, they want fruits, red and black color fruits, which fruits actually Lord Chaitanya gave to Raghunath Das Goswami, Gunja Mala. Very nice. Even my spiritual master used to keep always telling Gunja Mala is there, then I can wear it, I can offer it to our Giriraj. So Srivas Pandit, just like speaking in favor of Lakshmi Devi. Therefore he said, Srivas Shuno Damodar, Amar Lakshmi Dekho. Amar Lakshmi means my Lakshmi. Favor of Lakshmi, you know. Radharani means Radharani expansion, all Lakshmi. All Lakshmis condense is Radha. But those Lakshmis have false ego because so much wealth they have. Material wealth. Materially they are false ego, therefore they are not eligible to enter in Vrindavan. Vrindavan, only that person eligible to enter Vrindavan who is completely free from all sense enjoyment object. This word, sense enjoyment object. So anyway, Krishna Broje Gavan Hetu Lokshmir Krodhabhiman. Krishna in Vrindavan, Lakshmi become angry. Vrindavan dekhibare gela Jagannath. Shuni Lakshmi Devi re mone hoilo ashwad. As soon as Lakshmi Devi heard it that Jagannath went to Vrindavan, then what happened? Ashwad. He felt jealousy. She felt jealousy. Oh, why? Why he is going to Vrindavan? What difficulties he had here? Such of jealousy, Lakshmi Devi felt. Eto sampatti chhadi kene gela Vrindavan, tare hasya korite Lakshmi korila sajan. So Lakshmi Devi says, I have so much opulence. Why are you going to Vrindavan? In order to make Jagannath, Hasya means make foolish, or Hasya means laugh, you can say. Meaning a laugh, but he has to be foolish. Look, Lakshmi ornamentally decorate her body so much on Korila, Sajan means ornament, wearing and decorate herself very attractive manner. Sajan, Tomar Thakur দেখো এত সম্পত্তি ছাড়ি পত্র ফল ফুল লোভে গেলা পুষ্প বাড়ি তোমার ঠাকুর লক্ষ্মী দেবী তোমার ঠাকুর দেখে এত সম্পত্তি ছাড়ি Lakshmi says, so much wealth I have, but Jagannath left here. And where he went? Vrindavan. Patra, phala, phulo, only leaves, fruits, flower. That make him greedy. And went to the Pushpavadi, when a flower home. When Vrindavan, no one can understand the value of Vrindavan. Unless we are not enter in Vrindavan, we are not eligible to enter in Vrindavan, we are not eligible to deliver from the material world. Because wherever you go, again we have to come down here. Vrindavan is the place. Vrindavan is the place we have to be completely free from all unwanted mundane desire. All unwanted mundane desire. What is unwanted mundane desire? Anartha. Which activity not pleasing Lord Krishna? Which wealth is not pleasing Lord Krishna? And our all endeavor, if we accumulate, we try to accumulate that things, means which is not pleasing Krishna, that all activity called anartha. Krishna wants to see that we should be established with our original constitutional position. What is a constitutional position? Our constitutional position is we are eternal servant of Supreme Lord. We are not enjoyer, we are servant. Supreme Lord Krishna only enjoyer. Therefore he like to be in Vrindavan and allow that person who is completely free from all material attachment. So our practice, our spiritual practice means our sampradaya spiritual, our lineage, they are teaching us that. You can see six Goswami how they had opulence and they left all opulence and come to Vrindavan, and what austerity they did, and they saw as their lifestyle. If you look this Rupa Goswami, he was finance minister. Sanatana Goswami, he was prime minister. He left the position. Not only that, they kicked out by the king of that kingdom. Actually that king, Hossein Shah, he was completely depending on them. When they say the Rupa and Sanatana, because they are actually finance minister and prime minister respectively in that kingdom. When both they say they are not interested anymore to continue that post, then Hossein Shah Hotel will first request him, please do it. Then they don't want to listen, they put them in jail. Then Rupa Goswami escaped the jail first. Then after a few days, Sanatana Goswami escaped that jail and went to Lord Chaitanya. So Rupa Goswami met Lord Chaitanya at Prayagraj. Sanatana Goswami met Lord Chaitanya at Kashi Varanasi. There are huge teachings are there. So when they were prime minister, finance minister, they have Rajbhog, opulence food, opulence accommodation, opulence everything. But when they came to Vrindavan, they have no accommodation. Accommodation under the tree. No Rajbhog. No opulence food, dry chapati, and some pickles, maybe no, maybe Sanatana Goswami, no salt, no pickle, only liti. Liti means one type of wheat flour. We make a dough and baked open fire. It's a liti here, but no salt. Even deity, Sanatana Goswami was deity. Radha Madan Mohan asking Sanatana, at least give me some salt. Oh, today you are asking salt from me, tomorrow you will ask another thing. So I will just busy for your arrangement. No, take it. If you want, you have to arrange the salt. Then, this one businessman brought one full of ship, the salt. They stuck over there in Jamuna river, and then it is not able to, then he got dream that Sanatana Goswami, he can go there, and then eventually all the history and that he gave huge money to make the Madan Mohan temple, everything. So this is the way to stay in Vrindavan. Vrindavan is not a place to stay with opulent manner. Vrindavan is a place to stay with magnanimous and sweet manner. Magnanimous and sweet manner. No anger, no jealousy, nothing will take place. How much we have such tendency, we have to know. Although physically we are in Vrindavan, but actually we are far from Vrindavan. Real Vrindavan. So anyway, ei karma kare kaha vidagda shiromani lakhi ragrete nijo prabhure dehuani. Ei karma kare vidagda shiromani. Vidagda shiromani means who? Vidagda shiromani. Who is the shiromani? Crown of the Lord Jagannath himself. So, what happened? Lakshmi Ragnata Nija Prabhura Dehuani. So brought Lakshmi, all the associates, means Dasi, servant. Lakshmi is all servant, maid servant. They brought in front of Lakshmi him, Lord Jagannath, Prabhura Devani. Ato boli Mahalakshmi Shabadasi Gane Koti Vastre Bandhiane Prabhuro Nijagane. Koti Vastre, million Vastra is cloth. Bandhi means bound, and bring Prabhu in front of Lakshmi. Lakshmi charane ani karaya pranati dhanadanda loy ar karaya minati. This is very difficult to understand. Jagannath is owner of entire universe. But Lakshmi Devi is empowered by Jagannath. But here what happened? Lakshmi Charanani Karaya Pranati. So Lakshmi Devi, here Jagannath is not paying obeisance to Lakshmi Devi. Here should be Lakshmi Devi paying obeisance to Jagannath. Dhanadanda loy. Dhanadanda loy. Danda means punishment. Dhan means wealth. Loy means just giving punishment. To whom? Jagannath. Ar karaya minoti, and request. Rather upore kore dandir taran, chor pray kore Jagannath re sevagan. Rath, chariot. We kore dandir taran. So Jagannath is chariot. Dandara Taran means chasing all of them. And the Danda means this punishment. Such as chasing all of them out. Who? Jagannatha Seva. Rather Dandara Taran Chor Pray Kare Jagannatha Sevagran. Like a chasing out, like a thief, they are moving out of that area. So all the Jagannatha's present servant means Vrindavana's devotees. Shab Bhittagan kahe jodo kori haad Kaliyani divo tomar age Jagannath. So Lakshmi Devi, I already explained you that there is you see her group is using slang language so much. So then what happened? So all the servant of Vrindavan, Mittavan Kahe, says, Joro Hath Kori, whose folded palm says, Kalyani Devo Tumar Age Jagannath. Tomorrow I will bring your Jagannath in front of you. Tobe Shanto Hoya Lakshmi Jai Nijaghar Amar Lakshmi Rishampad Bakko Gochon. After that dialogue of Jagannatha Sevak in Vrindavan, so Lakshmi Devi Shanto, become quiet, become Shanto, Jai Nijaghar, back to his home. And Amar Lakshmi Sampad Bhakka Vacha. This is actually explanation. Dugdho auti dodhirat mathe tomar gopi gane amar thakurani boishe ratna singhasane. Jagannath, Dugdha means milk. Vrindavan, what is this? Best wealth is milk. Actually this milk is best wealth. In India we say, if there's a desi cow milk, means really whose cow has hump, and really not mixing wheat, just familiar, the organic cow, we can say, organic cow, that milk is a liquid gold. Why? Because this cow milk, you can see entire Krishna's pastimes. He always stealing butter, eating all those things. But his health was always, not only his health, all the associated health was perfect. But nowadays, milk become contaminated. There's artificial milk. The artificial milk is there. Therefore, our health is deteriorating, although we are taking or reacting different manner. So, better to take the organic milk. The Shiva's Bachan Shobane Prabhur Ragmariyo Bhaktavan Hasya. As soon as Shiva's Pandit all the explanation explained to Lord Chaitanya, then all the Ragmariyo means all the spontaneous loving devotee of Lord Jagannath, they are Hasya, means they are laughing, ha 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 ha, because they don't know. Actually, who is not in Vrindavan, they don't know. They are not able to understand the taste of Vrindavan. What is the actual taste of Vrindavan? Narad prakriti sivas kare parihas shunihase mahaprabhur jato nijadas. Narad Muni was there, and Srivas Pandit, Parihas. Parihas means laughing, ignoring, we can say, ignoring, laughing, or minimizing whatever he explained. Shunihase Mahaprabhu, Jato Nijodas, and Mahaprabhu's all the servant, like Ramanando, everybody, Sarva Damodar, they are also laughing. Prabhu kahe Sivas tomate narada sabha Oishwarya bhave tomate Ishara prabha. Prabhu kahe, Mahaprabhu says, Sivas, your nature like a Narad. Oishwarya bhave tomate Ishara prabha. With the opulent mood, you are thinking that Prabha means you are feeling this Ishvara. Ishvara is Supreme Lord. Iho Damodar Sharup Shubho Brajava Shuddha Brajavashi Iho Damodar Sharup Shuddha Brajavashi Oisharja Najana Iha Shuddha Preme Bhashi. A Damodar Sharup Damodar Shuddha Brajavashi, pure Vrindavan residents, Brajavashi. You may think that, why? Who is Sarup Damodar? Lalita Devi. So therefore, see, Sarup Damodar is Shuddha Brajavashi, Vrindavan residents. Oisharja Najane Yo Shuddha Preme Bhashi. They don't know any Oisharja opulence, but they are pure love. They are floating always in the pure love. Always floating in the pure love. That is the goal of our spiritual practice. But nowadays, spiritual practice is turning another direction. If you make a small, humble temple and small deities, no one will attraction. No one will come to you. Therefore, we need a big temple. Then people will come to you. People will feel that you are really great devotee. You get a lot of Krishna's mercy. Actual Krishna's mercy is prema, not opulence. Krishna's mercy is prema. I am telling you, Krishna's real mercy means realizing the taste of divine love, not the enjoying of the opulence. Therefore, Oisharja bhave tomar, achadandhura, Oisharja na janeti ho, suddho preme bhashi. Mahaprabhu explained to Shiva, look, Sarup Damodar, he doesn't know all the opulence, but he always floating Suddha Prem and pure love. What is the meaning of pure love? Pure love means each activity we should keep our goal to make the object of love become happy. And we will not expect anything from him, just for his satisfaction, for his happiness, all will do. That is called pure love. Nowadays, whatever loving attitude we are looking in the material world, there's an expectation is there. Everybody else. If in this God and Goddess temple, if you go there, then you can see many people are going over there with so much expectation, with uncountable manner, that is their expectation to get. They are doing something, they want to get so much from the God and Goddesses. Therefore, our Gaudiya Vaishnava are not accepting that the loving puja. It's like a expecting puja. Everybody has an expectation. Therefore, they are bringing the goddesses and God and Goddesses. They are worshipping that God and Goddesses purpose. Not loving. They are fulfilling their material desire. Sharup kaya Siva shuno savadhane Vrindavana sampad tomar nahi pade mone. Sarup Damodar says that Siva, suno carefully. Vrindavana sampad tomar nahi pade mone. The wealth of Vrindavan you are not able to remember. Am I right? This note of interrogation means asking that question. You are not able to remember. Am I right? So then Mahavaikunta Isharja Mandamana Isharja ek kon matra. Vrindavane sahoji je sampade sindhu দ্বারকা বৈকুণ্ঠ সম্পদ তার আগে বিন্দু, বৃন্দাবনে সহজ সর্বা সহজিক. Whatever easiest manner you can get Vrindavan, it's a Sampada Sindhu, ocean of wealth. And Dwaraka, opulence, whatever you have, tar ek bindu, one drop of Vrindavan wealth. What is this? Loving attachment with the Lord. That is called Vrindavan. Always loving manner we are acting amongst each other. Without pure love, we are not eligible to enter Vrindavan. That is the ultimate goal of Gaudiya spiritual practice. So try to practice with such a mood through chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra and gradually get that Vrindavan prema, Goloka prema, and deliver yourself from the miserable mundane world and become eternally blissful. Thank you very much. We can go ahead tomorrow. Hare Krishna. 219.